So today, 1972 Chevrolet pickup C10 Custom Deluxe with a 307 V8 engine in it. This baby is beautiful. And as you know, pickup trucks today are very, very hot. So let's get in the Chevy. 307 cubic inch V8 engine, like I said, underneath this beautiful painted orange hood. It's got all of your moldings all around the truck. None of them are busted. They're all there. You open up the interior here, you got no rust on the bottom of the door. All this is clean. You can see the pictures. I'll send you the pictures. You can see them on the eBay listing or in the listing that you found. Got all the tags, original door panels here with the crank roll-up windows. Real nice orange interior to match the exterior. And come in here inside, obviously the huge 20-inch, no, it's not a 20-inch, it's like a 17-inch steering wheel. Horn works. The odometer says 3,800 miles. We all know it's probably got more than 3,800 miles on it, but we're selling to you exempt, so please take the condition of the vehicle into consideration when purchasing this vehicle. It does have an aftermarket radio. It does not have AC. It does have an aftermarket temperature gauge to read the temperature on the engine. I do not know if the temperature gauge on here is working, but I'm sure that that one's working because I've seen it work. The seats are in great condition. There's one little hole right here in the center, but I want to redirect you to the ceiling. Look how nice this ceiling is here. This ceiling here is in great condition. You even got the labels on the sun visors here. Still, factory labels. That's real rare. Coming back to the back bed here, the back bed has been redone. It has been recoated, sprayed orange. It is in great condition, beautiful condition. I'll show you the back tailgate. Look how nice this looks. I'm getting these little bugs everywhere in the video. Sorry about that, but it's real nice. Got the white with the Chevy orange insert there. The gray painted step bumper there. And as we move to the passenger side here, you got the all matching Kelly Savari SUV tires on it with the moon center rims there. This is the passenger side. I'll open up the hood after I show you the interior of the passenger side. Nothing special here. It's the same as the driver's side there. And as I said, it does have an aftermarket stereo. Still have the tag here from Key Chevrolet and Cadillac in Frederick, Maryland. So gives you a little bit of originality with that logo there. This is the original motor. This is a matching numbers truck. Nothing has been changed out in this truck. You even got the original tags on the air filter container there. Original tags right here on the fender, inner fender of the left driver's side. So this truck is ready to go. I mean, you know, you're not gonna have to get this truck, take it home, and do a bunch of stuff to it. And don't forget, this truck does have a 3-speed manual transmission with the granny gear. Everybody loves it. So please, make sure you look at this truck, make sure you compare it to every other C10 that you're looking at, because I can guarantee you this truck is much nicer than 9 out of the 10 of them out there. So thanks for watching, make sure you subscribe, and have a nice day.